Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Airfit F20 Small is probably one of the most popular and highly rated CPAP masks on the market, and for good reason. It's designed to provide a comfortable and effective seal for a wide range of facial structures, making it a top choice for many CPAP users seeking a reliable solution for sleep apnea therapy. Its innovative features aim to minimize leaks and pressure points, contributing to a more restful night's sleep. Number 5. CPAP Hose Universal Tubing, 6 foot. This is a universal CPAP hose designed to fit most machines and masks. Its standard 19 mm diameter and 22 mm connectors ensure broad compatibility for your sleep therapy needs. It seamlessly connects with popular brands like ResMed, and Fisher & Paykel. This tubing is a reliable choice for all major CPAP and BiPAP machines. Crafted with medical-grade plastics in the USA, this premium hose features a smooth interior. You can trust in its quality and durability for consistent performance. Enjoy greater freedom of movement during sleep thanks to its flexible design. This helps prevent mask leaks, ensuring your sleep therapy remains effective throughout the night. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing this hose every 3 months. It's available in convenient 6, 8, and 10-foot lengths to suit your preferences. What we like. This tubing offers universal compatibility with most CPAP machines and masks. Its smooth interior design minimizes noise and ensures a consistent airflow. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile CPAP hose that works with virtually any setup, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The mask is very comfortable and provides a good seal. Easy to adjust and stays in place all night. The swivel connection makes it easy to move around without pulling on the mask. Number 4. ResMed Airfit F20 QuietAir Elbow. Experience a quieter night's sleep with the revolutionary QuietAir Elbow. Designed for optimal performance and comfort, it ensures a peaceful experience. This replacement elbow is specifically engineered with QuietAir technology. It's designed to minimize noise, allowing for undisturbed rest. Enjoy seamless integration with your Airfit F20 and Airfit F30 masks. This part is designed for a perfect fit, ensuring your therapy continues without interruption. As a genuine one-piece set replacement, it guarantees the quality and reliability you expect from ResMed. Maintain the effectiveness of your CPAP therapy with this essential component. Upgrade your sleep therapy experience with this essential replacement part. It's designed to deliver quiet, effective, and comfortable therapy every night. What we like. This replacement elbow features QuietAir technology for a more peaceful sleep experience. It's designed specifically for the Airfit F20 and F30 masks. If you prioritize a quiet operation and have one of these ResMed masks, upgrading to this elbow can significantly enhance your therapy comfort. What people say. The cushion is soft and comfortable, providing a good seal without being too tight. The headgear is adjustable and stays in place throughout the night, preventing leaks. The frame is lightweight and unobtrusive, allowing for a full range of motion during sleep. Number 3. Medihealer Airfit F20 Replacement Frame Kit. This is a comprehensive replacement kit designed for your Airfit F20 mask. It includes everything you need to refresh your current setup. Inside, you'll find a new frame and a comfortable headgear. These are essential components for a secure and effective fit. We've also included a pair of clips and 2 strap covers to enhance your experience. These accessories ensure a snug and comfortable wear. This kit offers excellent value, providing all the necessary supplies in one convenient package. It's a cost-effective way to maintain your CPAP equipment. Trust in the quality of Medihealer for your respiratory needs. This replacement kit is built for durability and performance. What we like. This kit provides a complete replacement frame, headgear, and clips for your Airfit F20 mask. It offers a great value by bundling essential components. If your current frame or headgear is worn out or you need a full refresh of your mask structural parts, this comprehensive kit is a convenient and cost-effective solution. What people say. It is a great mask and fits well. This mask is very comfortable and has a good seal. Number 2. Everness Airfit F20 Replacement Cushion, S, 2-pack. Experience a consistently reliable seal with our replacement cushions. Designed for a softer fit, they ensure comfort throughout the night. These cushions are perfectly compatible with your original Airfit F20 frame. Enjoy a seamless fit without any hassle. Get great value with our durable replacement supplies. They are built to last, providing a cost-effective solution for your CPAP needs. Good news. These replacement cushions are eligible for FSA and HSA spending. Make your healthcare flexible and convenient. This pack includes 2 size S replacement cushions. Ensure you have a fresh cushion ready whenever you need it. What we like. This is a 2-pack of small replacement cushions designed for a reliable seal and a softer fit. They are compatible with the original Airfit F20 frame. If you have a small facial structure or find your current cushion uncomfortable or leaky, these softer, durable cushions offer a great value for consistent comfort and performance. What people say. The cushion is soft and comfortable, and it seals well without being too tight. The headgear is adjustable and stays in place throughout the night. It's lightweight and doesn't feel bulky, making it easy to sleep with. Number 1. ResMed Airfit F20 Cushion Replacement. Introducing the replacement cushion specifically designed for your AirTouch F20 full-face CPAP mask. It offers a comfortable and secure fit. Experience a personalized fit with this CPAP mask cushion. It's engineered to adapt to various facial shapes, ensuring stability and easy adjustments. Crafted from high-quality silicone, this CPAP cushion is built for lasting use. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace it monthly. Enjoy a luxuriously comfortable experience with the ultra-soft memory foam. This full-face mask cushion provides a gentle and plush feel. ResMed is dedicated to helping individuals with sleep apnea and related conditions. We strive to enable them to live better lives. What we like. This replacement cushion features ultra-soft memory foam for a luxuriously comfortable fit and a custom-fit feel. It's specifically designed for the Airfit F20 full-face mask. If you prioritize maximum comfort and a personalized fit, especially with a full-face mask, this memory foam cushion provides a superior experience and a durable seal. What people say. The cushion is soft and comfortable, providing a good seal without being too tight. The magnetic clips make it easy to put on and take off, which is a great convenience. The headgear is adjustable and stays in place throughout the night, ensuring a consistent fit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.